thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cleburne County and north-central Arkansas, Independence County and north-central Arkansas, southern Izard County and north-central Arkansas, central Jackson County and eastern Arkansas, Sharp County and north-central Arkansas, eastern Stone County and north-central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Mountain View to 5 miles southeast of Looper to Heber Springs, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mountain View, Melbourne, Heber Springs, Batesville, Ash Flat, Stella, Sydney, Salado, Oil Trough, Newar,